all, and it's Kelly again, and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to you all. And I have a lot of exciting things that I wanted to do this year. I have a lot of great ideas for some videos that I wanted to share with you. The first, I'm going to get back into my organizational of my craft room, and I'll be sharing that with you. And I want to, and if y'all have any great ideas that you're doing in your craft room or that you see that might work better for me, please comment below. I would love to hear about that. Okay, the last couple of years, as far as like with my stickers and things like that, I had used the top basket of this cart, and what I did is I made up chipboard, and then I just listed different subjects and made little stickers and put on there. And then I would have stickers in here in behind each section. And so when I wanted to maybe like decorate for Easter or do something for Easter, all I had to do was, you know, grab all those stickers and go through that. That was pretty easy, but I had this bright idea, and I saw it from another crafter, that what she did is she took these little photo albums with the sleeves, and she put her stickers in those sleeves. And so I thought that's what I was going to want to do, but I went ahead and put them in here, but actually I am liking my original way of doing that better, and I haven't even really worked with it like this. This just seems awkward to me. I just thought I'd be able to see them better, but of course, if you try to put like one pack of stickers in a sleeve, you're going to need hundreds of sleeves. So I try to put just, you know, like many in the same sleeve. And so I would be doing about the same thing as I did here, but actually this just was more handy. So what I did, I'm going to go back to that way again, because I just feel like I want to organize my sections in my craft room. So I bought another cart from Walmart so I can put it in this area, because this is going to be my like my paper station, you know, from photo albums, scrapbooking, cards. So I want everything to be in that place. I don't want it scattered throughout my craft room. So I bought this so I could have another cart over in this area. So I'm going to set it up like I did before. Take all my stickers out. See, I have all these books right here. And I ended up with 5 books, and that's just not, I can already tell that's just not working for me. So I'm more comfortable with that, with the way I had it before. So I'm going to put that back. So I'm going to put this cart together, and also for my paper station, because I have, let me see. Now, I'm going to turn you around to over here. I also have this here too, this little spinning thing, and I have some stickers on it, and I like it, but I just don't have enough of these clips to put, but I do like it, and I do keep, like, most of the ones I use most often, I keep those on here. So, because last year I did like weddings and babies books and things like that, so I had a lot of those on this wheel, so I used that. So I have that, but like I said, I want all my paper stuff to be over in here, this area. So I bought this too from Walmart, because I needed, I wanted to have something that gave me multiple shelves, but it was more tall and not as, you know, large. So I got this, and it is 13 inches wide by 13 inches deep and 61 inches high. So I'm planning on putting that over in this area probably, as long as it's not going to interfere with my paper. But and then I'll have to take this stuff down, or maybe right in this area. I don't know. I'm still working that out. But I'm going to put those things together, and then I'll be back to show you, because I want to get everything in this area for paper projects. And then this area, see, I've got some things coming today from Amazon, because as you can see, I have beads and metal pieces, beads, buttons, and so I have a lot of this. I love this piece right here. I bought it, and I buy jars from where was it? The thrift store, Goodwill. Thank you. And I like to take their jewelry apart, because you can buy a whole jar of jewelry for like $9 to $30. And I take it apart, and then so I have these pieces laying out here. And so to use in, because I make a lot of the jewelry, the jewel pieces, like the teacups and things like that. And so I am going to keep this, and so I have these, and I can easily see these pieces. And then I have some little glass things here with little beads and some really tiny. Okay, so I like that, but I have some more things coming, which is going to organize this better, because this to me was awkward. It was just, I didn't know how to do that, but I think I've got something come from Amazon, and I'll be showing that to you here shortly after that gets here. And then of course, this is my area where I do flower arrangements and things like that. That'll be this area. So I've got my vases and things, and I've got all my fall and winter crafting stuff down there underneath the table, and then of course my flowers. And then here is my, this is where I craft with my granddaughter and do other different types of projects. So I'm getting that all into place. I still am struggling to know what to do with this. I love it, but I just don't know what to do with it. And then of course I've got to get this stuff, because there's a lot of stuff that's for paper crafting that needs to go out there. So I've got to get that stuff rearranged, and then my project stuff over in this area. So okay, so that's what I'm doing today, and I will be back. Hi all. Okay, I've been working on my craft room most of the day, and I kind of wanted to show you what I've done. I was talking about my stickers, and I went ahead and I bought another cart, and so I went ahead and went back to my original organization with that, and this for me makes the most sense. So I just, just like if I'm doing Friends or Halloween, I can just pull those out. This just makes more sense to me. I went ahead, like I was trying to organize everything in areas, and like I said before, and so I went ahead and I was trying to find everything in my craft room that dealt with either card making or mini photo albums, and so I tried to bring all that in. So I've got this here, which I need some more of these little clips to hang some more things, because it's pretty sparse, but I just hang little like beads and things like that on it. I took, like I said, I took all of my, excuse me, I took all of my stickers out of these photo albums, and what I put in there, because I was trying to figure out what I was going to do with these, but my clear stamps, and so that, I just put like one on this side and then on the back. This is going to make much better sense to me, and I can see everything without having to pull everything out, so I like this idea. So I've got all my clear stamps in these photo albums, and then I have one for my embossing folders. So I've got those all in one, and I'm going to get out my label maker and make a label on those. So I was glad I did that. Here those are my Spellbinder card kits that I get every month, and I'm going to start getting into those more this year. I'm going to put up a video at least once a month showing me making a card out of those kits. Here's my other dilemma. I have all my oh my goodness, my for my Sizzix Big Shot, my dies, that's what they are, dies, and now I've got to figure out how to organize those for it to be handy for me. But I went ahead and moved my TV, and I put it on the other end of the room, and so I could put some of my markers and things up here, markers and pens. And I like this area for paper crafting because I have this huge pegboard up here that I made, and then I put some little embellishments in here in these little containers, and then I put a magnet on them, so I have those handy. This is going to be like anything that I'm working with, jewelry or beads. Like I showed you, I have a lot of things in that. I have jewelry making things in there. And then this came from Amazon today, and look, I've already filled it up. It's all different kinds of beads. So that I like that because they're all separated. So I'm excited about that. The only thing, I've got these small seed like beads. I've got to figure out how to get all that to place for those. Oh, I put this together. Let me stand back and show you. I put this shelf here so I could put some more of my paper crafting things, because I didn't, this area, I needed something else to put that on. And so I bought this shelf. It's actually for like a bathroom, and so I've got like my wooden stamps, some metal pieces, some Project Life. I don't do Project Life, but I do like to use their cards in their kits. And so then, of course, like, I didn't do anything in here really. Of course, that's my flower area. I just moved everything. So everything in here now is like just general project making. So I've got everything kind of where there should be. So I'm excited about that. And I've been using these little baskets here for different projects that I'm going to be working on, and I just put everything in the basket that I need to, what I need to use for that certain project. I have one there, and let's see, I have another, oops, sorry about that, basket over here. That's actually a Christmas stuff. And this, I have different things in here to make like shaker thing, little tool projects and things like that. So, and of course my my sewing area and desk area. So, and I bought me a couple of rugs. I love these rugs. They're so pretty. I love them. They're beautiful. So I think I want to go back. I found those. I had some gift cards, and so I was at Walmart because I was getting a longer card to move my TV, and I found those rugs. So I used my gift cards, but I love that so much that I would like to have one big one in this room. Aren't they pretty? I love them. And like I said, I moved my TV over here, and I can see it anywhere in this room. So yes, I'm so excited. I've got to, when it gets warmer, I'm gonna finish painting this room to match my room in there, the darker gray like I have around the doorway. So I'm gonna have to paint, but I'm so happy about what I got done today. So I can get busy crafting. But anyways, thank you for watching, and as always, I appreciate you. It means a lot to me that you're wanting to watch my videos, because I love sharing with you all. And I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you soon.